Hi guys, this is Suranjan welcomes you to another tutorial of MongoDB. Before doing anything, I will explain you what is MongoDB. The MongoDB is one of the NoSQL database. NoSQL means not only database. The basic intention of NoSQL database is to make modern web database and solving the complex data storage. The MongoDB the MongoDB means Mongo database is document oriented database system and schema free. The MongoDB is schema free because we do not have to make any structure. For example, we have to do not give any column name, any row name, or any predefined data type. So this is a little bit introduction about MongoDB. If you want more info or introduction about MongoDB, search on Google and you can get many information regarding MongoDB. So let's go and download MongoDB. Open up the browser which you liked, open it up and just search your MongoDB and press enter. When you press enter, you can see this first link www.mongodb.org, and we will click this link for downloading it. And on here you can see the short information regarding MongoDB has been represented here, and if you want to read more information regarding this MongoDB, click this Wikipedia link. You will get more information regarding MongoDB. So click on this link and click here for download MongoDB, then scroll down and here you can see we are downloading the current stable released 3.2.0. The versions of MongoDB has been changing very quickly, and we are downloading this MongoDB for Windows, and here you can download MongoDB for another various operating system, and here are the versions are provided for downloading in for Windows operating system, and this is for 64-bit 2008 R2 plus, and here is another 64-bit 2008 R2 plus legacy. This means it is this version is basically for Windows Vista, and there is another which is Windows 32-bit. So I will recommend it you that download the default one. Do not click on any version and download it. Click click on the default version. So click here for downloading it, and after clicking on there you can see the downloading has been started. I will not download it because I have already downloaded it in my computer. I will close this page. So when you have downloaded the MongoDB, navigate that folder for installing the MongoDB. Double click on that, the publisher, blah 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 blah. Direct run here, then press next. Why guys I have seen this window? Because already I have installed MongoDB in my computer. I am showing this installing process and configuration of MongoDB because it is a very different process for uh, installing and configuring the MongoDB. So I will repair here because I have already downloaded it and installed in my computer. So it will take a little bit time for installing. So it has installed. Click on finish. When you finish the installing process, then click on computer, then navigate to C drive, because the usually the MongoDB has installed default in C drive. So click on it, then click on programming files, then in MongoDB, then in server, then 3.2, then bin. And here guys, you can see the bunches of MongoDB executors. In this tutorial we are only using these two executors, Mongo and Mongodb. The Mongodb is a server in Mongo database, and Mongo is a command interface where we are giving the commands like create, remove, delete, insert. This command we will give in Mongo. So now click on start and search here for cmd and press enter. So we have to actually navigate this folder through cmd. So copy this path, and before pasting here we have to remove this user zero, because here you can see in C drive we are in programming files, then in MongoDB, then in server, then 3.2, then bin. So for that we have to removing this user and sudo. So type here cd slash. So what is this cd? Cd means change directory, and press enter. So now type here cd, give space and converted commas, then paste that path here and close the commas. And I will recommend you that to remove this C colon, because already we are in C drive. So press enter. Now guys, we are navigated in this folder. So now we have to run the MongoDb. Before running MongoDb, type here dir. Dir means directory. When you clicked on that directory, you can see these bunches of executor here. Here you can see same executors are showing here. So now we are running the MongoDb because it is a server. So type here MongoDb and press enter. So it has showing some error to me. Guys, it is not an error. It is telling me that to make one directory for storing the database, because we start running server, then start running the Mongo, but we have to store that database. To storing that database we have to make another directory or folder. So that directory name will be, here you can see in C drive, then data, that in data there will be another directory that will be db. So we will make that directory here. So type here mkdir, which means make directory, then give slash, then data, then again slash, then db, and press enter. So now guys, the directory has been maken. To watch that directory, click on C drive. Now here you can see the directory has been maken. Now click on this data, then db. Now you can see that directory has been maken. So So now go to cmd and type here mongodb. Why? Because we have to run the database server. Then press enter. So guys, here you can see the database MongoDB database server has been started running here. So we started the running of MongoDB. Now we have to start the Mongo. So we have to open the another CMD. So I will make here this here and this here. So now once again we have to change this directory. So remove this directory, then paste that our bin folder directory, paste, remove this and press enter. Then type here Mongo and press enter. So now we have tested and we are running our MongoDB database, and here you can see one connection are open. That means we are connected to our database. So guys, this is a process for configuration of MongoDB. It is a little bit difficult for configuration the MongoDB. And guys, one thing I have forgot to tell you that, and guys, if you don't want to uh, type or paste this command or change the directory for that this bin, there is another process that will I will show you. For while showing, we will first close this all cmds. So type here exit and press enter. Now we are exited, and here you can see the connection are now closed, and we are closing this cmd. So closed it, and now click on start. In computer, right click it, then click on properties. In properties, click on advanced system setting. In this, click on environment variables, and in environment variables, click here for creating new environment, and in this variable name type here path. So guys, I will tell you that give the path name as capital. Don't make the path name small, because it will not run that process. So now paste this path here, and then click OK, then again OK, OK, and then close it. Now open the cmd, and now we do not need to remove this because we have set that path there in environment variables. So we do not need to remove this directory. Just type here mongo d, sorry, the spelling mistake, mongo mongo d, and press enter. Now here you can see guys, the server of our mongodb has been started, and now we can open our mongo also here. So type here mongo and press enter. So now here you can see our mongo is also opened, and now here you can see one connection are open now, and we are connected to now our database. So this is a little bit process which will little bit make smaller for installing for running mongodb again and again. So guys, that's it for this video, and in next video I will teach you how to create your database in mongodb. And guys, if you like my this video, gives me thumbs up. If you don't like my this video, gives me thumbs down. And guys, if you had any question regarding this MongoDB and installing and configuration, and any questions regarding this video, give that questions in comment section below. And guys, if you like my channel, please subscribe it. And thank you guys for watching this video, and hope to see you in my next video.